So my name is Ashish Dalia. I run a digital branding and marketing company. Over all these particular years, I had been working with quite a lot of professionals from all different industries, and we have been helping them out with digital marketing services. So my today's video is all about putting up a digital footprint for medical professionals. So first of all, a big salute to all doctors out there who are fighting in, day out to help people like us, to help family, our parents, our kids survive during this point of time. So with this, I start with my presentation. So as I told you, this couple of minutes of your investment, if you are into a healthcare profession, will help you understand what should be a roadmap for healthcare as a professional. We all know digital is on a boom. Everything is being accessed today through digital platform. But during this point of time, I had been seeing that healthcare industry is going to emerge out over here as a winner. So let me walk you through a digital marketing footprint for healthcare professionals. So let me tell you who we are and with what kind of an authority I am running up this presentation. So I run a company called iKnowledge Factory Private Limited. We had been in a business for over 19 years. We work with over 900 plus different corporate brands and we had executed over 700 plus digital marketing strategies, and we had developed over 450 odd different websites. So I guess this should be good enough for you to understand why you should continue reading or watching this particular presentation. So this entire presentation is essentially meant for healthcare professionals. So here we are going to put up saying that what are the right kind of a digital marketing platform for you, and what should be the right expectation setting from this particular platform for people who are into healthcare industry. So one of the very important element over here is your website. So your website is nothing but your virtual clinic, and see to it that it's clean, it's updated, it's mobile friendly, it downloads faster, and it gives a real representation of your profession and of your degree and your qualification and your reputation. Most of the time I see people compromise on their own website. Can you compromise on your clinic infrastructure? Can you compromise on the hygiene factors of your clinic? If you cannot, your website should also stand to that standards. Because if there is a new customer, new patient who's going to explore you, who want to discover more about you, the first impression is going to be your website. If your website is shabby, if your website is not professional, doesn't download it right on multiple devices, I'll tell you, you will lose out on the new patients. So having said website is important, another thing is important here is a SEO, which we call it search engine optimization. Having a great website, your great practice, your great reputation offline, but if you're not seen on Google, if you are not found on Google, entire digital marketing initiative will go for toss. So SEO is nothing but it's your clinic. It's your clinical reception on internet, because any patient, when they come, they are first being greeted by reception. So if in absence of reception, do you think a patient will be able to reach out to you? They won't be able to reach out to you. So just see to it that your website should be searched on Google, and with all the services, with all clinical expertise, whatever you have, you should be seen over there. Social media plays very critical role in these coming days, because this is where people check your reputation. We all know there is a new generation of patients. Although they might not be a patient, but if they are being consulting their parents, their grandparents, or for their kids, the first place where they will go and try to check out your reputation will be on a social media platform. Not having presence on social media platform is no good today, because that's the place from where you can influence, you can project your identity, you can project your degree, certification, infrastructure, good case studies. I'll keep discussing on this thing eventually. So social media presence very critical role. And in case if you want to grow your business, search engine marketing or Google AdWords plays very critical role. This is nothing but your customer relationship management, and this is your sales and marketing initiative. So in case if you want to target a customer or patient from one particular geography, that geography could be local geography, that could be regional geography, it could be particular state or country or even out of India. Okay, so search engine marketing plays very critical role in terms of generating new business inquiries for you. So we all know there are two kind of a profession. One is a hospital and second one is a clinic. So, and there is a marginal difference between both these together. However, let me run through this particular thing in more detail. So hospitals is a place where you have multiple specialties, which is nothing but a small department. Let it be dentistry, let it be orthopedic, or let it be skin clinic, or whatever it is. So it's an hub. It's a corporate where all multiple different specialties comes and sits together there. And I believe it's no less than a corporate. Yes, because you need to have multiple departments over there. So it could be reception, it could be finance, it could be HR, it could be customer service, it could be customer care, and multiple such kind of thing. However, with clinic, okay, it's a single owner specialty. Okay, so when I talk about single owner specialty, it essentially means that one particular doctor through one clinic or multiple or 2 or 3 clinics runs the operations over there. It's also personal driven. In case of an hospital, we saw that it's like a corporate, but in a clinic, it's a personal driven. It's a reputation of a doctor which drives the entire business. With hospital, like a multi-speciality, like a corporate house over there, it requires a consistent flow of the inquiry. Wherein in case of a clinic, you're decent and regular and less flow of inquiry is also okay with you, because you know your capacity and you know you cannot cater to more customers over there or more patients over there. So when you want to have a more consistent inquiry and you're running like a corporate, so reputation of the hospital plays very critical role. Wherein in case of a clinic, personal rapport with your patient, with the families plays very critical role. In hospitals, there are multiple touch points via which patient is making a reputation about you. Wherein in case of a clinic, there's a very less touch point. So a patient walks in, sits at a reception, and then directly a doctor or a physician approaches them. When in case of an hospital, they approach a reception, then they are being asked to wait, then reception drives a person to move from one location to another location, then there's a different level of the waiting, then there's a, so we all know that there are multiple touch points over there, which essentially means that hospital requires an aggressive amount of branding and marketing. Wherein in case of a clinic, moderate branding and marketing can also help you to grow your profession. So now let's look up at it. When you want to put up a stronger footprint on digital, what are the key elements over there? So website matters a lot. So when we talk about website matters, essentially it means that it should be a professional website, it should be mobile compatible, content is a king, and it's nothing but it's in your expertise dashboard from where you let person walk through multiple machines or infrastructure, or probably content plays very critical role, or photograph of the patients, and multiple pages runs to them. So it's nothing but an expertise dashboard, wherein once a website is being done, search engine, as I told you, is a crux, is a game changer. Can you give an injection to someone without having a fluid in that, without having a drug in that? It's of no use. So if you are not searched on Google, it means that there is no prospect which your website will be able to generate for you. In short, what the search engine does, it does a handshake between a virtual patient and a physical patient. It converts a virtual patient who accesses you through a website and get them down to the clinic. Second thing is, on a search engine, if you are not seen, then you are not found. And if you are not found, no one believes in you. There goes a very simple philosophy, seeing is believing. So you are required to be seen over there. And again, it's an expertise dashboard, so that using multiple algorithm of the Google, you can get your price, your services, your treatment, your specialty being searched on the Google. Social media plays a very critical role out here because social media is nothing but a knowledge hub. That's a place from where you can promote your case studies, your successful case studies, successful operations, before and after kind of thing. And that's the area from where you can show your customers, your patients happy faces. And it's nothing but your expertise deck. Online reputation plays very critical role. We all know today the generation is all digital savvy. If they are happy, they share it on internet. If they are not happy, they share it 10 times on the internet. So with ORM, that is online reputation management, you need to understand how is a reputation of your hospital on internet. How do people relate you over here? It's nothing but it's a reputation box. It's your suggestion box over there. And once you keep a proper tab on your reputation management, it does nothing but it sanitize or sterilize your brand. It ensures that your brand reputation is all-time high on internet. So now let's come down to very relevant point over here is why is digital marketing relevant to you? So digital marketing is relevant to you because I told you already, if you are not seen, no one believes you. So seeing is believing. So digital marketing sees to it that you are being seen. Second thing is with research mindset, new patient or new generation, okay, you are seen, and when you are seen as an authority, they browse your website, they browse your case study, they browse your blogs, they see what are the kind of treatment you did, there are high chances of new patient reaching out to you. Second thing is reviews plays very critical role. So whenever any patient comes to your hospital, important point is that if they are happy, share a review link which you can generate from Google and share it with them and ask them to put up the ratings. When you have a high rating, there are high chances of new patient believing in you. Digital help you to present your portfolio. As I told you, case studies, your infrastructure, your portfolio, customer testimonials, your video blogging, your blogs, and multiple such kind of avenues help you create more content on internet. It also helps you to put up your team behind so that they can see who are the doctors who are going to treat them, what kind of an health support system do you have, what kind of an assistant do you have, what are the different doctors who visits you or probably onboarded with you or are on your directory board or as a part of your specialty board. So this becomes a deck for you to present it up there. Once you're on digital, what you should be expecting is a new and consistent flow of the inquiries. You can use customer testimonials. So customer generally comes and then they say, doctor, you are very good. And after taking your medicine, I had been treated good and I had been struggling. But if patient comes and talks to you, that doesn't serve your purpose. Point is that use that particular opportunity to shoot video, to make them write down the testimonials and then present it upon the digital platform. You can present your successful case study, and then this is a area from where you can let patient experience virtually your infrastructure, your facility, your machinings over there. And then it gives you an opportunity to create more content on internet. Google loves content, YouTube loves content, so we all love content. So WhatsApp is nothing but a content delivery platform. YouTube is nothing but a video delivery content platform. Google is nothing but your website content delivery platform. So when these all platforms are available, so there becomes more important that you also have to create more and more content every often. Quick benefits, I'll run you through this. It helps you grow your profession. It builds to you to get new referrals. It helps you to engage with your patient. It helps you to promote your thoughts with the audience. The way I'm promoting the content to a video, similarly, you can also promote your thoughts through a video blogging or through text-based blogging. And on the top of it, it builds your brand. And we all know the brand story. With brands, no one really challenges. Yes, but brand building is a very consistent and very scientific kind of an approach. But yes, internet today, digital platform today helps you to build your brand on internet. And on the top of it, it helps you to showcase your successful case studies. We can discuss on this, but I wanted to keep it very short on that. So we at IKF, we believe in no nonsense prescription. We believe in a giving prescription which doesn't have any side effects. We believe in giving a prescription which is right at any given point of time. So our prescriptions are totally based on your profession, your geography, the kind of an target audiences you want to deal into, whether it's global, whether it's local, whether it's national, whether it's regional. So we know what kind of a dose to be given to you so that you come out as a winner out on this particular digital platform. So quick benefits in nutshell is seeing is believing. You can share your stories. It's a reputation building platform for you. It helps you to generate new prospect. It builds a trust of you on internet, and internet we all know is 24/7. It doesn't have Saturday, Sunday, or on clinic time and non-clinic time. It helps you to build up your reputation high over there. And this is nothing but it's your online new address. Let it be hospital, let it be clinic, let it be visiting doctor. It's nothing but it's your new online address. And we need to preserve it, we need to conserve it, and we need to use it. So now with the end of this, after understanding the benefits of it, is there any specific reason why you should not get active and why you should not take this particular platform seriously? If it's not today, then when? Don't prolong. We all know, and you as a doctor know it more better than anyone else. If you prolong a disease, it turns out to be a lethal. It converts into more aggravated form, and then getting recovery to that is a big challenge. If you want to discuss how we can help you grow your business, grow your profession, grow your healthcare industry, reach out on the number which is being mentioned down. It's 5 times 8 66110. You can check out a portfolio or reputation about our organization by visiting on icap.co.in. Do share your views, your feedbacks on this particular video. We will keep providing you with more industry specific videos like this. Thank you for joining and investing in your time in understanding how digital marketing will be able to help you out. If you like this content, I request you to kindly subscribe so that more often, whenever I am producing any kind of a video, you will be able to hear it out. Thank you.